How to fix Bluetooth audio not working in Moto G96. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turn on or off Bluetooth, then go back and open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and updates. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on system. Now click on reset options and then click on reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings. Now click on reset. After reset your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.